in case you guys forgot, subscribe to SATX Coasters. Woo!
Yeehaw! Howdy Coaster Squad, and welcome back to another vlog. Now this is gonna be not your typical me going to theme parks vlog. Oh no, because I thought I'd vlog today because something amazing is happening on this day, February 15th, 2021. Let me point the camera outside and show you. This is currently the view from my window in my bedroom right now. Yeah, we have a ton of snow outside. Keep in mind that I live in central Texas, like in smack dab in the middle of San Antonio. Look, there's my neighbor. And this stuff never happens. So I'm about to go outside and go check this stuff out.
Oh my god. This is our backyard right now. Look at my dad's shoes. Holy shoot. What the heck? This is so crazy. Oh, it's like deep. What? This is so cool. Oh my god. I have never seen this much snow at our house before. This is insane. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. Okay, so I just walked around in it. Unfortunately, the snow is actually not the type to be like super like compact. So I tried to make a snowball and I couldn't make a snowball with it. So I guess making a snowman's off the table. Probably could, but I don't know. But yeah, it's like super powdery. Let me see if I can show you here. So it doesn't like stick together. But it's okay. I'm not too worried about that. It's snow nonetheless. So that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, I'm pretty sure I just made my first ever snow angel. Looks really cool. It's awesome. Alright guys, I'm now going in my front yard. Look at this. Look at my neighborhood. It is totally covered in snow. This is amazing. Dude, look at the cars. All my parents' cars and Macy's car. My sister. And my car's over here. Look at my car. It's like completely covered in snow. This is absolutely insane. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh god, I'm freezing. Alright, decided to come inside for a little bit because it's like 9 degrees outside and it's really cold. But this is the view from our window. I went out there just a minute ago. You can see my tracks, kinda, because we have a screen. But yeah, it's so cool. Okay, I'm back inside now. Our power went out again. But yeah, that was like my first major experience like with snow. Like we've had snow before. Like I remember in February around this time back in 2012 we had a lot of snow. And then 2017, 2018, I think we had some snow, but that was like mostly in the night and then like lingered around through the morning. And then we had snow like a couple months ago, like a little bit, but this is like the most that I've ever seen. So like in this area. So this is absolutely insane. I don't see any. There were a bunch of deer that were playing around in the back. There's a bunch of deer behind our house, but yeah. Where's Bucky? Did Bucky leave? Yeah, it looks like Bucky left. Okay. But yeah, this is crazy.
Emily, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you want to go out and play? Come on, let's go. Let's go play. Come on. What do you think, babes? Do you like it? She wants to go back inside. Oh. Yeah. It's about 10 o'clock right now. Looks like it's still coming down a little bit, but it's pretty nice outside. What do you think, Pops? We'll play? Come on, let's go. Come on, Em. Go, baby. Oh, what do you think? Do you like it? Oh my goodness. There's no water in there, it's all snow. Go, Emily, go! Run, girly, run! Yeah! Come on, Em. What do you think? Do you like it? Yes, I know, it's so fun! Oh my goodness! She's having a ball. Look at this. Dude, you loving it? Come on, Em! Yes, it's so much fun, right? Do you like it? Come on, come on, let's go. Oh my goodness, you're loving it. Dude, she absolutely loves it. Here. Let's see how she likes it. Woo! I don't think she liked it very much. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the snow, Emily? Do you like it? Where's that girl? You like it? Looks like my dog was so excited to be outside that she took a shit. Yeah, so better not go step in the piles of snow shit over here. So, Emily, how dare you poop in the snow? She wants to go inside so bad. Okay, guys, I made another snow angel. I like this one. This one's pretty cool. It's awesome. And then I gotta show you guys over here. I have my GoPro too. And I have a little mount, little stick. This is the same one that I was using in the wave pool at Kalahari. I wrote 2021 above my. Oh no! I just stepped in it. No, I stepped in my snow angel. Dang it! My other one from earlier. Oh shoot. Okay, well, it's okay. But yeah, 2021 right there. Let's go. I don't know if you can see him too well because of the shade, but I drew a little person sitting in our lawn chair. Yay. Hope you guys can see it. Look, there's his face. His arms. And his legs. This person. I've been using my my GoPro to draw stuff. So, yeah. Just in case you guys are wondering how much snow we got here in San Antonio, this is our outside table, and that is my GoPro. It is currently, I don't know how many inches that is. I think it's like 5 from what I saw earlier. So, yeah. Pretty crazy, huh? Hello. This is me. Hi, guys. We have a gate here that leads to outside in our dry creek bed behind the house. As you can see, as I went on. Uh-oh, look it. Look it. The deer. Looks like he's enjoying the cold too. I'm so smart. I wrote my name in cursive. That was a big win just now. Wrote my name in cursive.
And do a smiley face with some eyebrows and freckles. Yay! Alright, we're going back out into the front. And my parents just said that somebody was in a pickup truck and they were pulling somebody on a sled. As you can see from the tire track museum and the tire tracks that are in the thing of Oakwald right there. So yeah, that's crazy. Don't do that. It's not very smart, but yeah, we're back out here. I'm in the front yard and there's so much more place to draw, so I'm gonna do that now. I don't know if these were out here when I came out here, but there are icicles that are growing on the underside of my car right now. That's so crazy. Okay, I made one in my front yard this time. But first 2 times I had gloves on. This time I didn't. So, yeah. That was interesting. My hands are freezing now. Alright, so I'm not chilling in my bed. The power has been flickering on and off literally all day. It's currently off right now. But yeah, I just managed to heat up some chicken nuggets and french fries in the air fryer. And yeah. I'm just chilling right now. Thankfully, I've got this bad boy. Been playing some new Super Mario Brothers, or Super Mario 3D World and Bowser's Fury. Great way to keep the time by. And then I have, of course, my 3DS. I just started a Pokemon White 2. It's one of my favorite Pokemon games. I'm doing a thing where I only use one type Pokemon. So I'm using bug types. I just started today, so all I have is Swaddle. But, yeah. Good day so far. Alright guys, it's about 6 o'clock right now. And I am just back out in the backyard for a little bit. As you guys can see, the snow is starting to melt in some areas. There's still a lot out. Especially over here. But over here by the tree, it's like completely starting to melt. You can see there's a lot of stuff dripping too. Oh, look at the, I didn't even notice the icebergs. Or the icicles. The icebergs. What? That's kind of cool. Out here in my front yard, as you can see, the street is almost completely barren. Some people have been driving up and down the street, my parents included. They went out for a little drive earlier, but a lot of the snow, looks like it's still pretty big around here. There's still a lot of snow out. This is actually crazy, guys. It's just the fact that it's snowing is just amazing. Like, but yeah, a lot of snow is still out here. Yeah.
So that's where your neuronet is coming in and deciding what is your reality. Yeah. It's so interesting.
But what's interesting with bliss is
Okay, so it's probably about, I want to say like maybe 11:30 at night. It is pitch black in my house right now. Like, there's literally nothing going on. That clip you just saw of me downstairs, our power from probably like 6 o'clock to maybe 8:30, 9 o'clock was off for like 3 straight hours. And it sucked because before then it had been going on, like turning on for 5 minutes, then going off for 5 minutes. And then there's like a period of time where it would sound for 10 minutes, then go off for longer. Last time it went out was like 10 o'clock. And it's probably like 11:30. I don't know what time it is off the top of my head, but I'm gonna go to bed, and then hopefully tomorrow when I wake up, the power will be back. Cause right now I'm sitting on maybe 60, like just under 70% on my phone. My 3DS is dying. It's like almost out of battery. I have a DSi that I'm using light for right now. That I've been using. My Switch is like half charged right now. It's been in the port for a while. But yeah, like our TVs, our Wi-Fi, our computers, they're all like not working because, you know, we don't have any Wi-Fi. And then the lights, it shouldn't be bad tomorrow morning because it'll be light out, but around like 4 o'clock, 4 to 5 o'clock, it was getting like, okay, the power can stop going out now because it's getting darker. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, good morning, everybody. It's now day 2. And as you can see, I am literally huddled up in my blankets because it is freezing in my house right now. The power has been off since probably about 10 o'clock last night, and I don't think it's come on since. Today's gonna suck. Today is going to absolutely suck. I have no school today, no work, but I'm literally probably just gonna be huddled in my blankets all day just to try to stay warm because it's just too damn cold in here, guys. It's just really cold, and I'm struggling. I'm struggling a lot, so I'll keep y'all updated. Okay, so we are actually going to be going to my grandparents' house right now because they have heat and power and electricity and all that stuff, and we don't have anything. So we're going to go over there right now and do that. So yeah. Okay, so back with another update for you guys for the vlog. As you can see, we still have a lot of snow out right now. The sun is out. It's about almost 2:40 in the afternoon. So earlier today, we actually had the opportunity to go to my grandparents' house because they had power, they had everything, and they had heat, most importantly. So we're gonna go there and hang out and then come back home when it got dark. So we went out to go get my sister, who's been spending the night at her friend's house for the past couple days. And we got her, came back to the house, and we realized the power came back on. So the power was on for about 15 minutes, which is the longest it's been for the past 48 hours. So we came home, we're like, okay, let's see if the power stays on, and then we'll see if we can go over to our grandparents' house. So as of right now, the power has been on for probably an hour and 45 minutes, or 2 hours and 45 minutes, which is awesome. So I got everything plugged in, my switch is plugged in, everything's plugged in, and all that, and we have the heat on and everything. But we just got word from the state of Texas that for whatever reason, Governor Rick Abbott, who's a freaking idiot, I don't like him at all, has just issued an order that we might be losing power here in a few minutes to help to like satisfy the power grid. I don't know like exactly what's going on, but basically like our power grid needs to be at like 51,000 watts or whatever the hell it is to be able to function. Right now it's at 49,000, and if it goes like over, then it'll cause like a blackout for the entire like city or state or however it was. I don't really remember how much it was, but we're like making preparations right now. Like we're filling up water jugs, we're filling up the bathtub with water, so we can like flush the toilet and like have drinking water and all that kind of stuff. So I'm hoping the power doesn't go out again because I really don't want it to. I really do not want it to go out again. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So yeah. All right, guys, 5.5 hours of power for us, and it just went out again. This is so funny. Oh my god. All right, guys, so it is now about 10 o'clock right now, and we are still without power. We've been without power since like 5 p.m. So another really, really dark and cold night. I thought we were gonna be good, guys. I mean, come 3, 4 o'clock, I thought we were gonna be good. I thought we were gonna go the rest of the night with power, but you know, unfortunately, state has other ideas, and you know they want to give power to people that don't already have it, and it's annoying. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed again, and I'll give you guys some updates in the morning. So hopefully this all ends by tomorrow. My work has already been canceled. School has already been canceled. So yeah, let's try to have a good night. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, I guess good afternoon. I haven't made an update this morning on what's going on. It is now day 3 of the snow days here in San Antonio. So I woke up about probably 5:30 in the morning, and I went back to sleep, and then as soon as I woke up around like 7 again, we had power. So we've had power from about probably 7 to about 1 o'clock. It just went out now. So, and for those of you guys that are wondering, these are controlled power outages by the state because our energy grid cannot handle this cold weather, which is starting to warm up a little bit. I don't know how what temperature is right now, but yeah, so little update for y'all. All right, so as you can see outside, the snow is pretty much gone, and it's all dripping. And you can see it's all melting. It's dripping from our roof right there. To answer the question from the last clip, it is 41 degrees right now. So you can tell the snow is pretty much gone from outside. So yeah. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Yeah, you're gonna have a rough one. She does not like water, so. So as for the front yard, there's still some snow on the bushes and parts of the ground, but the street is completely clear. You know, save for a few clumps here and there. It's mostly just turned into ice now. It's like this is all like ice. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. The snow is going away, and it's getting warmer, which is good. So maybe we'll stop having power outages pretty soon. So what does it really mean for me when the power turns off? Well, first of all, the lights go off. As you guys can see, my lights are off. The light in my closet is off. I have an alarm clock that's connected to the wall that turned off. All my chargers don't work. My phone charger, my 3DS charger, my switch port. Yeah, the heater goes off. So I think the past couple nights we've had like 45, 40 degree nights. So yeah. So basically I've been just conserving battery on all of my games, my video games that I've been playing. And I was saying this earlier, like I'd rather have no power during the day than no power during the night because I can't see at night. Even with the glasses I can barely see. And of course, you know, it's really cold and really, really dark in here when the lights go out. So yeah. One thing I do have, though, it's really been helping me is this little battery. It's been helping me keep my phone charged. I bring this to parks whenever I go out there. And yeah, this thing really, really helps. Currently sitting on 3 levels of 3 levels right now. So probably should have been charging it when the power was on, but yeah. So this has been really saving my life these past couple days. Okay, so we just got back from our grandparents' house. We went over there to have dinner. My first hot meal dinner in a couple of days. I've been eating peanut butter sandwiches, apple slices, saltine crackers for the past couple of days. That's been pretty great, but pretty cool. We have power. Thank God. It's been on for about 45 minutes according to my clock. And yeah, I'm hoping that we can keep this power for as long as we can. Hopefully throughout the night, like seriously, but we have heard that we may potentially not get our full power back until Saturday. So that kind of sucks, but
So we're gonna hold down. The snow is pretty much melted. And yeah, all that really matters is that we're worrying about power for now. So, all right, guys, it is day 4, and honestly, yesterday I pretty much ended the vlog. I said, you know what, there's nothing more that needs to be vlogged. You know, we're just worrying about power right now. We do have power. My lighter is off, but woke up this morning to this. Yeah. It snowed again. Doesn't look to be that much. Probably just a couple of, maybe an inch. But it's still snowing. So, yeah. We have more snow. I don't know what the temperature is. Let me check. So right now it's 27 degrees. It's supposed to be snowing pretty much throughout the day until 3 o'clock. It's gonna hopefully gonna rain and make all the snow go away. Hopefully. But yeah, it's supposed to be snowy and rainy today, and then sunny throughout the next couple of days. So hopefully, fingers crossed that this all ends today or tomorrow, so that we'll be able to go to Fiesta Fest on Saturday. That's the hope. Hopefully I got an email from Ace yesterday saying that the event's still on. Even though a lot of stuff around town being canceled. My sister was gonna play in a volleyball tournament this weekend, and it got canceled, or it got postponed. Yeah, I haven't gone into work since last Thursday. I haven't, done any schoolwork because of our flickering power. And yeah, so once again, just trying to hold out. And then of course Sunday I'm planning on going to parks as well. So hopefully my park trips will still be intact, because we are supposed to get our power back. The whole state's about to get their power back this weekend. So, but yeah, today we got more snow. So let's go ahead and go outside and check it out. All right, so it is snowing right now. It's like legit snowing. The snow was already down on Monday, so we didn't get to see it come down, but it's coming down. So I don't know how many inches we're supposed to get, but it doesn't look like a lot now. But when the snow accumulates, it'll probably be a lot. So, yeah, this is pretty crazy. Here's a look in the front yard. It's all starting to accumulate again. It's the 3rd time this year that it has snowed, which is like amazing. It's crazy. Wow. It's weird, like I was just outside, getting video of the snow. And I walked back in after a few minutes of filming it, and I was joking with my dad. I was like, because Sunday, when it was snowing on Sunday, I was probably up till like midnight, like watching the snow from inside, of course. But now I'm just like, really, again? Like, dude. Because like Sunday, I didn't know that we were gonna get like all kinds of power outages and crap. So I was excited, but now I'm just pissed off. I'm like, why is it snowing again? So, yeah. All right, so we just received word from Six Flags that it's gonna be closed this weekend. So, no Fiesta Fest on Saturday, which it sucks that it got canceled, but the event was gonna be pretty lame anyway. So yeah, but Sunday's gonna be kind of a bummer, because I was kind of looking forward to Sunday. So it looks like my next park trips will be next weekend, when the grand opening of Daredevil Dive. So. Alright guys, so giving you guys an update on what's going on. As you guys can see, we still have power. We've had power all day, and it's been amazing. We have Wi-Fi back, which is also pretty great, because with power and without Wi-Fi, my phone has been pretty much, haven't really done much on my phone. But yeah, I'm hoping that we have power like this tomorrow.
yeah, at this point, Six Flags is closed. Haven't heard back from SeaWorld. I doubt they're gonna open, so I've went ahead and pushed all my park trips back to next weekend. But yeah, this weekend just probably wasn't gonna happen either way. Like, maybe, I mean, if SeaWorld somehow does open, I don't know. That might be a game day decision if I go or not. Depends on the weather, the road conditions and stuff like that, and all that. So, yeah, that's basically the end of day 4. Catch you guys tomorrow, and we'll see how well things update from there.
I just realized I haven't done a vlog update today. So it's day 5, it's Friday. And we have had power. I think our power issues are done. We have our internet back, we have our power. The snow is pretty much gone. SeaWorld has not said anything about them not being open, so they might be open tomorrow and Sunday. That'd be pretty cool. Be really cool. But yeah, so there's that. I'm playing some Super Mario 3D World on World 5. I love this game. Alright guys, so this is my last update for you guys. So we've had power all day, second day in a row. I think our power situation's finally been fixed. The snow is pretty much melting, the temperature's starting to go up, so I think everything's working out just fine. However, we just got word a few minutes ago from SeaWorld. They are opening tomorrow. They are 100% opening tomorrow, and it's interesting. I might go tomorrow, I might go Sunday. I don't know, probably going to be going Sunday. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So, it's been an interesting week. A lot of snow, a lot of power outages, a lot of craziness happening here in Texas. Fortunately, I was able to be okay. But that's going to go and do with this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Comment down below what's the most snow you've ever gotten in your city. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.